Most people see the Ford GT Mk4 and immediately notice the body, the towering rear wing, the impossibly long tail, the aggressive splitter that seems designed to slice through the atmosphere itself. But none of those dramatic surfaces exist for their own sake. Every vent, every duct, every carbon fiber panel serves one purpose: keeping an extraordinary engine alive while extracting every possible ounce of performance. Because hidden beneath that carbon shell sits an EcoBoost V6 unlike the one most people imagine. The name EcoBoost often brings everyday vehicles to mind. Comfortable commuters, family SUVs, engines engineered to balance power with efficiency. The Mk4 changes that perception completely. This powerplant shares little beyond its basic philosophy. Everything else has been reimagined, strengthened, refined, engineered to survive conditions that ordinary road engines would never experience. Before anyone talks about horsepower, before anyone mentions lap times, before anyone celebrates acceleration, there is a much more fascinating story. A story built from metallurgy, thermodynamics, combustion science, aerodynamics, and relentless engineering. Because building massive power is never the difficult part. Making that power repeatable, controllable, and dependable under relentless punishment. That is where true engineering begins. At its foundation sits a compact V6 architecture. 6 cylinders arranged in a 60-degree configuration. A layout chosen not simply for packaging, but for balance, rigidity, and efficient airflow throughout the engine bay. The shorter engine creates opportunities that larger power plants simply cannot. It allows engineers to position critical cooling hardware exactly where airflow is strongest. It reduces overall mass behind the driver. It lowers rotational inertia throughout the vehicle. Every inch saved inside the chassis becomes another opportunity for aerodynamic optimization. That philosophy defines the entire Mk4. Nothing exists without purpose. The block itself is engineered to withstand extraordinary cylinder pressures. Turbocharged combustion creates forces that naturally aspirated engines rarely encounter. Every ignition event becomes a controlled explosion. Each combustion pulse attempts to separate cylinder heads from the block, stretch fasteners, distort bearings, and challenge every sealing surface. The structure must resist all of it, without flexing, without fatigue, without sacrificing precision. Because precision is what allows enormous power to remain reliable. Inside the block, the rotating assembly becomes a masterpiece of controlled violence. The crankshaft spins thousands of times every minute, each rotation enduring explosive combustion events from multiple cylinders. Those forces never arrive gently. They strike with astonishing intensity. Yet the crankshaft continues rotating with remarkable smoothness. That stability depends on material quality, machining accuracy, dynamic balancing, and microscopic manufacturing tolerances. Every gram matters. Even the slightest imbalance becomes magnified as engine speed climbs. Engineers therefore spend countless hours eliminating vibration before the engine ever reaches a vehicle. Connecting rods transform combustion pressure into rotational motion. Their task sounds simple. Reality is anything but. Each rod experiences compression during combustion, then tension as pistons reverse direction near top dead center. This cycle repeats thousands of times every minute, hour after hour, lap after lap. Failure is never an option. That is why lightweight strength becomes the defining characteristic. Strong enough to survive, light enough to reduce inertia, balanced enough to preserve smoothness. The pistons face an equally unforgiving environment. Temperatures inside the combustion chamber rise dramatically during sustained boost. Pressure increases, heat accumulates. Expansion must remain perfectly predictable. Engineers carefully shape piston crowns to promote efficient combustion. The design encourages flame propagation, controls hot spots, and helps maximize every drop of fuel entering each cylinder. Cooling oil sprayed beneath the pistons removes enormous amounts of heat. Those tiny streams often go unnoticed, yet they quietly protect the engine during repeated high-load operation. Without them, thermal stress would build rapidly, performance would suffer, durability would decline. Heat management begins long before coolant reaches operating temperature. It starts with the combustion chamber itself. Fuel injectors deliver precisely measured quantities of fuel directly into each cylinder. Timing becomes everything. Milliseconds determine whether combustion remains clean and efficient, or becomes unstable. Modern direct injection transforms fuel into an incredibly fine mist. That atomization increases surface area, helping fuel mix rapidly with incoming air. Better mixing produces faster combustion, more complete combustion, and greater efficiency under demanding conditions. Air alone means nothing. Fuel alone means nothing. Performance only arrives when both meet under exactly the right conditions. That responsibility belongs to sophisticated engine management. Hundreds of calculations occur every second. Throttle position, boost pressure, intake temperature, oil temperature, coolant temperature, air density, fuel pressure, ignition timing, knock activity. Every sensor continuously feeds information into the electronic control system. Nothing is left to chance. If conditions change, the calibration changes.